See to the poetic device used in this stanza. The main poetic device used in this stanza is alliteration. In the line third and fourth, we can see that alliteration has been used in the words like W, the woman was, where W sound is repeating, and in the last line, TH sound is repeating in them on the heard. So TH sound is repeating in them and heard. So alliteration is there in these two lines. Now let's move on to the next stanza. The next stanza says, and being faint with fasting, for the day was almost done, he asked her from her store of cakes to give him a single one. Who was feeling faint over here? In the very first line, the poet says, and being faint with fasting. Who was feeling faint? Saint Peter was feeling faint. And why he was feeling faint? Because he had been fasting and wandering about throughout the day, and now he was very hungry and feeling very weak. Then further, the poet then says the time of the day. Now here, what time of the day is mentioned in the stanza? The poet mentions that the day was almost done, which indicates that it was the evening time. And then what did Saint Peter ask from the little woman? Who is he in the third line? He is Saint Peter. And what did he ask for from the woman? He asked for one of the cakes the little woman had baked. So we can say that in these lines, the poet says that Saint Peter had been wandering about the whole day on an empty stomach, and by evening he was so weak and tired because of hunger and travel that he was on the verge of fainting. So he requested the little woman to give him just one cake out of the many that she had in her store. So this is all. Now we'll see to the poetic devices. The main poetic device that is used in this stanza is again alliteration. The F sound is repeated in the lines faint and fasting. The very first line, faint and fasting, so F is repeated. So alliteration has been used in this stanza. Now let's move on to the next stanza, that is the seventh stanza. The seventh stanza says, so she made a very little cake, but as it baking lay, she looked at it and thought it seemed too large to give away. So now